We would like to give a special thanks to SnapStar for sending us these toys as a gift to review. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at SnapStar. Whoa! They just sent us this really cool box. I love the color. I wonder if we are going to find some of the new things we saw at Sweet inside. Well, there's only one way to find out. I can kind of see through the paper. Okay, this is really exciting. A new name. We have a new character. Introducing our latest member of the SnapStar squad, Vita. I just love when a new outfit is so perfect. It feels as precious as a piece of art out on display. And I love having options right at my fingertips to mix it up. Available at Walmart. This is the Fabulous Fashions Vita's Chic Clothing Rack. For ages 5 and up, hang your favorite fashions. Includes 2 outfits and accessories, magic photo wall and stand included. Create your own looks with the free app. On the back of the box, we can see Vita standing with the clothing rack. There is a list of what's in the box and more information on how you can have fun with the app. Let's take her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. That was pretty easy. The clothing rack looks like a shooting purple star. It's just going in a circle. There are 5 hangers, so you can hang your doll fashion. Vita has dark brown hair, pink makeup, a white and pink dress, a black handbag with sparkles. It's kind of see-through, and she has matching shoes. It comes with the SnapStar green doll stand that attaches behind the neck, so you can have fun posing her in a lot of different ways. The extra outfit has an animal print at the top and a faux pink leather skirt attached to the bottom, a pink purse, and pink shoes that we can mix and match with our other SnapStars to create our own style. Our SnapStar squad is getting pretty large. But we're still missing someone, Izzy. So I went online and finally bought Izzy. Izzy is a master crafter. I love arts and crafts. Drawing, painting, cutting, pasting. I love finding old things and transforming them into something new. Wow. Twins! Izzy and I definitely have a lot in common. I love crafting too. She has curly hair styled into 2 puffs, purple lipstick, hoops, a faux fur coat that is lined. She wears a sparkly top underneath with a lavender bag, leggings, and tennis shoes. She comes with a lavender cell phone, doll stand, and a green screen. Oh yeah, Vita comes with a green screen too. Izzy was priced at $14.49 at Target online. Now my SnapStar squad is complete. But wait, there's more. Pop royalty Ekko's debut on the pink carpet, available only at Target, with a suggested retail price of $24.99. Somebody pinch me! I'm on the pink carpet for my Born to Be Stars album release. I couldn't have made it this far without my SnapStar squad. Now let's see what's inside the box. It comes with a pink carpet, a SnapStar step and repeat that has a green screen on the other side. It comes with these little green semicircles. Place them on the edge of the backdrop to help it stand up. I can't get mine to balance. Wait, there, nope, oh, okay. So I placed an extra stand that I already had at home behind it. It comes with paperboard cutouts that slide together to make rose bushes. Connect a star base with a star pole. Attach the pink rope to make a VIP rope barrier. Attach the camera to a white pole. Add a star base to make a video camera with a stand. Remove the plastic barrier from the light. add a white pole and a star stand to make a spotlight that actually shines. There is a small microphone that attaches to the camera, and here is Ekko, making her debut on the pink carpet in a light blue wig with tinsel. It is styled differently than the original. The front is pulled back. With the original doll, her hair is styled with 2 knots on the top. However, her makeup is the same. She wears long lavender earrings, carries a jewel purse, wears a long iridescent gown that has a train in the back, and has purple sparkly heels. This is a pretty cute playset. The working light is a definite bonus. I like that the backdrop is reversible. We can have a lot of fun taking photos of our dolls with this. The camera can be angled on the stand. Ekko can hold the microphone, or we can have our fashionista Dawn give a red carpet interview. The rope divider is a very fun detail. Just keep in mind that the little ropes detach very easily. And I would have loved if the rose bushes were 3D and sculpted instead of paperboard cutouts, so they would hold up longer under heavy play. But wait, there's more! Picture Perfect, Aspen's fashion photo studio. Available at Target and Walmart. We bought this one at Target for $29.99. The day is finally here! I'm ready to shoot my first big fashion spread. I'm ready for my close-up. Lights, camera, pose. I can't wait to share the pics with my SnapStar squad. Let's see what's inside the box. An oversized green screen, a SnapStar stand, Aspen with a curly blonde wig. It may require a little TLC out of the box. She wears a white bubble dress with a pink bow, has pink bow earrings, soft pink makeup, white shoes with pink bows. She comes with a plastic hair accessory, so you can give her a large pink bow, a pink star necklace, and a white handbag. Let's assemble the star-shaped spotlight. We have to remove the plastic. It's battery operated. There we go. Cool. Add the star base. This goes right there. Just gotta line up those edges. Got it. Wow, it works. There's another light just like the one from the pink carpet, but this one comes with 3 color filters that we can place on the front of the light to give her a different glow. That's blue, here's orange, and red. We can use the filters with the red carpet light because they're built the same. Ah, so cool. This playset also comes with a stool. I really like how all the lighting works, so you can set up a miniature doll photo studio. We can combine playsets and have more lighting. However, they are different colors. This one is pink and gold, and that one is purple and pink. Whoa! Check out this extra large green screen. It gives us tons of room to take pictures of our SnapStar squad. First, open the SnapStar Studio app, select your doll, change the settings to green screen, then take a picture. I am going to remove the doll's wig, then take my photo because there are some really fun editing options. Okay, let's try again. Taking my picture now. From here, I can adjust how much of the picture can be seen by moving the bar on the side. I can change the background and put the doll in different locations. Aw, this one's cute. Okay, now let's change the hair. So let's move over to the hair icon and we can try out different wigs. Just place it on the doll for totally different looks. Let's move that over a little bit. Oh wow, we can go with the curly hair. This one is cute. I'm loving the whole pink theme. Now we can go to her eyes and change the eye makeup. We can go to her lips and change her lipstick. Give her a little blush. Add accessories like glasses. Ah, love glasses. I can't get my eye makeup to line up perfectly because I probably took my picture a little off center. So we're gonna go with no eye makeup and just pick out a fun pair of glasses, like maybe these. Yeah, that'll work. Add stickers, like little words, hello, and a frame. Ooh, you can have rainbows. We can add hearts and stars and speakers, or make it look like she's on the front of a magazine. Click finished, and it is saved to our creations. The app has a lot of potential to be a fun editing tool. It would be really cool if we could adjust the makeup to fit our photos. But right now, we just have to be very careful about aligning our pictures to get them just right. I love that they added a new character, and I really like her soft makeup, and the working lights are a lot of fun. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at what's new from SnapStar. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.